Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you collection of amazing modern modular kitchen designs and tips for choosing best modular kitchen for stylish and functional kitchen space ideas. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. In today's fast-paced world, the kitchen is no longer just a functional space, but a place where we gather, socialize, and express our personal style. This is where modular kitchen design comes in. Modular kitchens are the latest trend in kitchen design, offering a stylish and efficient way to make the most of your kitchen space. What is a modular kitchen design? Modular kitchen design is a style of kitchen design where cabinets, countertops, and appliances are pre-manufactured in standardized sizes and assembled in a flexible way to create a personalized kitchen layout. Modular kitchens offer several advantages over traditional kitchens, including flexibility, customization, and ease of installation. Which modular kitchen is best? The best modular kitchen design for you depends on your needs, budget, and personal style. There are various types of modular kitchens available in the market, such as L-shaped, U-shaped, straight, parallel, and island kitchens. L-shaped and U-shaped kitchens are the most popular as they offer ample counter space and storage, while island kitchens are ideal for open-plan living spaces. What are the disadvantages of modular kitchen? While modular kitchens offer several advantages, they also have a few disadvantages. One of the main disadvantages is that modular kitchens are relatively more expensive than traditional kitchens. Also, the customization options are limited, and it can be challenging to modify or repair the kitchen components once they are installed. What is modular versus non-modular kitchen? The main difference between modular and non-modular kitchens is the way they are designed and manufactured. Non-modular kitchens are typically designed on-site, with custom-made cabinets, countertops, and appliances. Modular kitchens, on the other hand, are pre-manufactured in standardized sizes, making them more cost-effective and efficient. And here, these the top 10 modular kitchen design ideas. 1. Scandinavian-style kitchen. This style features a minimalist design with a light color palette and natural materials such as wood and stone. 2. Industrial-style kitchen. This style features a raw, unfinished look with exposed brick walls and metallic accents. 3. Modern-style kitchen. This style features sleek and simple designs, with clean lines and minimalistic details. 4. Traditional-style kitchen. This style features ornate details, warm colors, and classic finishes such as wood and marble. 5. Coastal-style kitchen. This style features a light and airy design with a beachy vibe, incorporating natural materials such as wood and rattan. 6. Farmhouse-style kitchen. This style features a rustic design with a cozy, country feel, incorporating wood finishes and vintage accents. 7. Minimalist-style kitchen. This style features a clean and simple design with a focus on functionality and organization. 8. Mediterranean-style kitchen. This style features warm colors, intricate tile work, and natural stone finishes. 9. Bohemian-style kitchen. This style features a relaxed and eclectic design, incorporating bold colors and patterns, and unique decor pieces. 10. Transitional-style kitchen. This style combines traditional and modern elements, with clean lines and neutral colors. Modular kitchen design is a versatile and stylish option for your kitchen renovation. From L-shaped to island kitchens, there are many options available to suit your personal style and needs. While there are a few disadvantages, the benefits of modular kitchens far outweigh them. So why wait? Transform your kitchen today with a modular kitchen design that suits your style and personality. By following the above guidelines, you can achieve the best possible for your kitchen area, since the modular kitchen design is the perfect choice for those looking to upgrade their kitchen space. It offers numerous benefits, such as flexibility, customization, and ease of installation. By choosing the best modular kitchen design for your needs, you can transform your kitchen into a stylish and functional space. The top 10 modular kitchen design ideas mentioned in this video can provide inspiration for your kitchen renovation project. So, take the leap and revamp your kitchen today with modular kitchen design. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of amazing modern modular kitchen design ideas for your inspiration. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.